Alarm 4001 is the result of insufficient air supply to complete a tool change. When a tool change is commanded, and the volume of air is not sufficient to keep the tool unclamped during the tool change, Alarm 4001 will occur. Once the air is restored, the air pressure message is automatically cleared. Now you can clear Alarm 4001 and press Recover to complete the tool change. Here are some ways to troubleshoot this alarm. Actuate the air gun while doing several tool changes and watch the gauge. If the gauge falls more than 10 psi during this test, you do not have sufficient flow. Take a look at your incoming air lines. Are they large enough in diameter? Lines should be 3/8 of an inch minimum. 1/2 inch would be better. Do the lines have unnecessary bins or fittings? Is your shop compressor large enough to handle all the machines in your shop? Some shops may be running the wrong size or not enough compressors to supply air to a whole row of machines. This could cause problems when running all these machines at the same time. If you have checked your air system and verified that this is not the problem, you will need to contact your Haas factory outlet so they can look into it.